So what we're going to need today is Allen's apple juice for obvious reasons. And then we're going to need ice cubes, strawberries. We're going to use 1 banana. And then we're going to use roughly a cup of vanilla yogurt. Now for the strawberries, we are going to add 6 to 8 strawberries into the blender. So my name is Alan from Coach Alan Recipes. You may also know me as Basketball Coach Alan from my YouTube channel, Basketball Coach Alan. And the reason why Allen's apple juice is the best is because it has my name on it. I don't own them though, so that kind of sucks. But what we're going to be doing today is a strawberry banana smoothie. So the reasons why we would be using these ingredients, let's say you're a basketball player, this is a great pre or post workout drink. So why do I say that? We're going to get some pretty good protein and calcium from the yogurt. We're going to be getting some great vitamin C from the strawberries, and that's going to really boost up our energy. And we're also going to be getting vitamin B from the banana, but also potassium. Now, vitamin B is going to help you with cardiovascular health, but also the potassium is going to help you and your muscles be able to recover. But also what potassium really does for your body is it regulates the water or the fluid flow in your body, but also the muscles in your body. But also a little quick story about potassium. Last year, roughly around this time, I was in the hospital because I was actually low on potassium, and they said that I was like a few days away from death because of the lack of potassium in my body, which is kind of scary. So keep that in mind if you haven't eaten a banana or anything with potassium for a little bit of time. So let's get all of this stuff into the blender and let's mix it up before the ice cubes melt in this nice sunny weather. So what we're going to be using is 5 ice cubes. You could use 6. That's going to be really giving us the thickness behind the drink. We're going to be adding the 1 banana. We're going to be adding in roughly that 1 cup of yogurt, 3/4 to 1 cup. It really comes down to your preference. And again, that's going to be giving you the calcium as well as the protein to recover from the workout that you've just done. And we're going to be adding in those 5 to 8 strawberries. So I'm going to be adding in 6 myself. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we're going to be adding in a splash of the apple juice. Just a little bit of a splash. And now we're going to be mixing this drink up. So you'll be mixing it once there's all those thick blocks of fruit and stuff. Once that's all gone and it's all smooth, then you're all set. Oh yeah, look at that. This is going to be so great, and I know you're gonna love it. Oh yeah, before your next workout or after your next workout, definitely make one of these. You're going to absolutely love it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I might be posting just a bit more often on this channel.